Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account credentials and selecting Demo or Live. This matters because execution, spreads, and risk differ. Once installed, open Mt5 and choose the broker server from the login list, then input your login ID and password. Make sure the connection icon shows green bars. If not, re-enter server details. This step gets you into the platform quickly, so you can proceed to add symbols and configure charts without wasting time on unnecessary setup. Now you focus on execution. Add the instrument to the market watch, then open a chart and pick a time frame that matches your strategy. Attach indicators and save that chart template so you can reuse settings. Next, determine order parameters, order type, lot size, stop loss, take profit, and calculate required margin based on leverage. Once done, use the new order window or one-click trading panel to review spread and commission details, because precise configuration prevents accidental overexposure. You're ready to place the trade. Click buy or sell or create a pending order, then confirm volume, price, SL, and TP, and note the order ID in the terminal. Monitor price action, equity, free margin, and margin level. Use a trailing stop or modify orders as the position evolves. If an order is rejected or not filled, check your connection, available margin, symbol suffix, server selection, and trading hours. That troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly, so your next trade executes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.